How to fix Shadow Fight 3 sound problem easy and quick. The solution is very easy. Go directly open the settings of your device. Click right now on your apps option and search for Shadow Fight 3 and click. Scroll this list down, click on storage option, click clear cache now and back, click at force, stop and click OK. Go now to Play Store or App Store and update Shadow Fight 3, restart your phone and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another tutorial.